Without construction workers, man, this world just doesn't run. I just don't think they're respected and treasured enough, and they build the fucking world. Challenged everybody. Every time somebody sees a guy in work boots and they're in a grocery store, I always try my best, if they'll let me, to buy their lunch or their 12-pack of beer, and I challenge anybody that follows me to start doing that. Construction, driving a truck, trash guy, police officer, buy the man a beer or buy his lunch or whatever you can, and for God's sakes, tag me, because I will repost it on my channel. I want nothing more than these guys to get the respect they deserve. It is a hard life out there for these guys building this society.